busy. She's busy with my pages. I don't know who told her that it's a good idea going after mommy's things, but lo and behold, Lily's a big girl, guys. Lily is a freaking big girl. Like, oh, Lily, no, don't eat that. Emmanuel, don't do that. Don't let to be. She is a big girl, and I'm here for that. Oh, little Lily, what are you doing? Oh, little Lily, what are you doing? Oh, little Manuel, what are you doing? Emmanuel. So Emmanuel, in terms of his homeschooling, the process is going relatively so slow, and I have so many things happening. I have oh, I have so many things happening, and at the same time, financially, I have to plan wisely. Everything is just so shaky. Financially wise, everything is just all over the place. When you are a single mom and the sole provider of the kids, you have to plan ahead of time. I'm the sole provider of the babies, so I have to plan for certain things, certain milestone way ahead of time. And sometimes it really bumps me out to even think like that. It bumps me out, honestly speaking. Like, but I like it for my own peace of mind. I don't want to be thinking about something and worrying about something 10 years or when it's literally there knocking on my door. Name Jera Zabude. The baby is, she is. Lupanga page. Zabude Lily. Yes. Yeah, that's better. Bring it here. But the same guy, nigga, the one move and that's a Jera one and it's not the one move and put in. So we have to plan. Like next year, for example, Emmanuel is going to start his school in 2027. Yes. So already financially, I am saving money for his school uniform and the homeschooling equipment that I'm gonna need. So, I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. So, as a single mom, somebody who provides solely for her kids, sometimes it's really tiring. And, the scarcity of jobs here in South Africa does not make it any easier. Currently, we have like the education or homeschooling that normally I do with Emmanuel. I feel like they need, yeah, it's very hard to be a single parent. Um, there are certain things that I need, and currently my hi Gelly. Currently my financial statement doesn't allow me to have those, but hopefully next year, I hope after I buy him some school uniform, because that's like my main concern. Like, I have to make sure that by next year August I'm done with all the school preparation. No. Thank you. So I have to make sure that next year. Wait. Yeah, this is Emmanuel. This is the Emmanuel that I'm talking about. Wait. That I homeschool. Wait. Unfortunately, I don't teach him English. Wait. It was a hard decision because I know, right? Like, English is one of the languages that we use, but I decided to start with our native language. But some words I do teaching here and there, but I'm starting with our native language. Gilly, how are you? Don't forget to subscribe. Gilly, I see you. I see you. Oh my God. My daughter is busy with the jam roti. Yeah. So no, don't feel so bad. Why would you feel so bad? Um, I'm trying. I have some few side hustle. I do. I do create. It's not that hard, honestly speaking. I think it's way cheaper compared to other people's, um, other people's stuff. It's just that I like to plan in advance. I'm not sure what's gonna happen next year. Oh, bisa ni mroni ise passage. Ise ni passage. Jani pale ni ise passage. I'm not sure. I'm fine. I'm not sure how life is gonna go next year, but highly swear. But I have this thing of not wanting to plan last minute. So this is why I'm planning for my son's stuff this year. Um, for 2027, you get me? Because I'm unemployed and I'm the sole financial provider. If you're a subscriber, we've gone through this. Yeah. So I'm planning, and at the same time, I'm homeschooling this little guy here. Emmanuel, don't do that. He's naughty to fault. Emmanuel, ndori muthu yadzira zwavhuḓi ti. Wait. Oh, my job. I started public administration, but currently unemployed. If you're South African, you know, you know how hard it is. I don't know how many job applications I send out, guys. Like, oh, the rejections sometimes it's like crazy. And I remember back in June, I almost slipped into depression. Like the amount of rejections I was getting. Ooh, it was crazy. It was really crazy. But I think I'm over that, and I'm like, okay, whatever happens, at least I've got the CV business happening, the writing assignment. No, it's a blessing, girl. It's a blessing. I don't have to worry about a lot of things, to be honest. Okay, ndizvakutezvo. Nyakona nohura. You big boy. You tangalorwan. But I like to be praised. Yeah. Yeah, you can work. I can get all those jobs that you're talking about. The problem is why Dudula. I've never heard of it. Is it? I come from the villages, guys. Keep that in mind, right? But I'm very much tech savvy, so I do understand everything in the technological sense. Pretty much most of the website that you will link it in. What is that one that I used to love? Just now, I forgot about it. But that one used to, at least they used to give out so many replies. JobJack, even those secular government secular that come, government secular when you are somebody who has a degree in public administration. They always like your degree is always there. The problem is you're competing with a lot of people. You are competing with a lot of people, but I don't want anybody to feel sad or cry, guys. Ooh, Lily, don't do that. To feel sad for me, like or feel bad, like I am very much financial. I am okay. Stop. Okay, doing. Wait. Yan kan wan cool. Ni tambra wan tam se toide. Njeli bopi la. Yo. So by someone. Song by someone. Song by someone. I plan in advance. I do have some savings. It's just that I'm in the process of trying to acquire a home for the kids. Yeah, I would love. So I will. It's very funny. I do pray to God. It is very funny. My son is very funny. Um, yeah, I do pray to God. My son is very funny, guys. He is very, very funny. I wish you speak our language. Um, hey, we speak Venda, by the way, Chivenda. It's just that he doesn't understand. We can't communicate with you guys in English. But oh, Manuel, hmm? Anyway, my name is Zwivhuya. Zwivhuya meaning goodness, goodness, good things, so something like that. Zwivhuya, like good things, righteous things. I would love to ask the person who gave me the name why they gave me this name. Unfortunately, she already passed. Lily, what is the problem? Hmm? Oh my God. What is the problem? What is the problem? Do you want to say hi? Come and say hi. Yeah, it's very nice. My daughter wants this knife so bad. She saw me put it here, and I put my phone on the window. My daughter is gonna want to hit this. Hit this. Oh my God! No, don't do that. Don't do that. Lily, guys, I'm somebody who is very responsible financially. Thank you. And whenever I get a job, I do get this short-term employment. I save money. I don't just what is the right word? Splurge or waste. Just don't waste. I like to prepare for the future and prepare for the kids' future. That's what I like to do. So, and I live within my means. I am not that material type of girl. Thank God. I think I would have suffered. Hey, Emanuela, honestly speaking, man. I shall go rasa. Yo, that car needs to. You need to do something about it. Say hi, Lily. Say hi, Lily. Stand up and say hi. Stand up, Miguel. Oh, this one likes to sit here by the window and do whatever it is babies like to do. Lily, yeah. You'll be collecting. Where is I will be? Oh, anyway, guys, I almost forgot. Please also um follow my Facebook page. I literally almost always forgot. It's under the same name, and I think we have a link here on my She is, but she is so dramatic. She is very very dramatic, and just that she is. You wouldn't guess that she was a premium. Lily, say hi. You are eating. What are you eating? She has a carrot inside her mouth. Babe, huh? Tu, kaka, tu, kaka, tu, tu. Ah, Lily, you. Ah, ah, Yeah, she clearly doesn't want to do this. Okay, yeah, do that. I'm very much I'm more, how do I say it? I'm more active that side. Hey, Emmanuel, how you are making noise here? If my son doesn't, if we don't go to church now, that Sunday you just know it's gonna be horrible. So we're doing the laundry today, and that's why he's not at church. Oh, she is. Let's just say 9 months. She's 8 months, but she's not. She's about to be 9 months on the 29th of October. Yeah. She already has like 4 teeth. So she's growing. Push this knife, Shem. This knife. This knife, Shem. Lily, say hi. Say hi, Ayanda. How are you? I'm even defeated. Like the way my son is making noise down there. Emmanuel, Nkurasa, Shem. Atukohana. And my son likes to play. He likes play. This one wants to touch the phone. I know. I know. I know. Have you ever tried arguing with a baby? Ayanda, I see you. Have you ever? Oh, my son just said something that made me feel really bad. But Tamban, it's okay. Play. Mana nisungo Tamban koras. Nto gidimisa zwavhuḓi like zwavhuḓi. Nisa korasa ti. Zwavhuḓi. Zwezwo yo track. Gidimisa. Yeah, decided go. Don't need for food. This is the truck, guys. This is the truck. It's being abused. If I show you the other one, the other big truck, you wouldn't believe it. Like, sometimes I even regret. Oh my God. Yeah, I shame. I don't know what happened, but Lily did something, and some buttons were. Okay. I even regret buying toys because, they get so much abuse. How have I been doing? Now, since it's coming to Christmas, right? If you're South African, you know the South African culture. You know the South African culture of saying kids must kids must excuse baby. Yeah, you know that culture, eh? Gilly, what are you doing? So you know that culture, eh? The only thing that's been worrying me is the Christmas clothes, but I have money saved on that. But I feel like they're still young, and Emmanuel still has some few new clothes that he hasn't worn yet. So I'm like, I'm still trying to figure out what to do. And what other thing am I worried about? I think I'm fine. I think the only other thing that's worrying me is my relationship with God. I've been neglecting it, and it's been crazy. I don't like that. I don't like that. Most nights I just fall asleep before I can even pray. I even have an alarm for praying, but still, like I just sleep without praying. Like, I don't know how to say it. Like, sleep just takes me while I'm not even expecting it. I'll be thinking about something, and the next moment I'm sleeping. No, it's not hard. Ayanda, I would say it's hard because my relationship with God is lacking. But in all other aspects, no. I am blessed beyond measure. I don't know if that makes sense. If I'm saying that I'm trying to secure the kids' future at this moment. Like, I'm trying to secure Emmanuel's future from 2027 going onwards. I'm doing that this year, and by April I would have enough money. I will have enough money to set him up. So I feel like that'll be good. While Emmanuel will be set up, I will have to worry about the little one now. Which race is superior? Between which one? Kalani Dube said, which race is superior? I don't know. Between which one? You should have just said between which one and which one. Like I told you guys, I'm not somebody who likes a lot of things. I enjoy motherhood a lot, and with it comes the planning. Four of them. Can you name them? I don't, I don't even know what you're talking about, Kolani. Am I missing something? Am I missing something? Do you want to sleep, Lily? Do you want to sleep? Hmm? I think she wants to sleep. Do you want to sleep? Guys, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, ne? Under this very same name. I go by this name, same name. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, pretty much everywhere. Follow me. This very same name. Under my profile, I think. The noise is from the daughter. Is this okay? I'm a firm believer. I don't see color. First. I don't see color. One. I mean, in my own world, there is no color. Number two, I feel like the language barrier, yes, but I feel like we all speak the same language. Under the right conditions, we will all speak, even if we can't hear what we're saying, but the action, same language, right? So I believe we are all the same race. We are all speaking the same language. We all have the same skin color, which is no color at all. So for me, honestly speaking, I don't see any race, any color, any language, anybody, anything as God Himself as being as being superior. We should be the same, guys. That's just my opinion. We should be the same. The moment we start segregating, the moment we start seeing other people differently, that's where the problem starts. It's like the same here in South Africa, regardless of the apartheid we suffered. I don't like being political. I specialized in politics and administration, so I don't like to discuss that part of my academics. But guys, that regardless of the apartheid we suffered, even within ourselves, we were very we were suffering from tribalism. We understand what tribalism is. So I don't like saying we're different like that just because of some few barriers. Oh, no problem. I also need to go. Lily needs to sleep. I think she needs to sleep, or she needs to eat. Do you want to eat? I love you. High five. High five. I think her teeth are coming out. Oh, I know I'm gonna see you again next week, Sunday, same time. Wow. Uh, whoa. Somebody's saying whoa. I'm not really into that, the war scene, to be honest, Tolani. I'm not into the war scene, honestly. Uh, I don't see the use of war. I'm sorry to say that. I don't see the use of war. And I think this is a sensitive topic here on YouTube. I'm not sure. But it's my own opinion, right? But I don't see the use of a war. Why would you go about carelessly making other people suffer while the ones who are responsible for decision making are not even affected? That is just crazy to me. So on wars, there is World War I and World War II, and there is one that is happening that side with the Palestinians, Israel, and whatnot. So, wars, a lot of wars come up to mind. All of them, all of the wars that I know come up to mind because people are dying, innocent ones. Guys, bye. Lily is, she's being naughty. She went to sleep, so bye. I have to put the baby down to sleep. I thought I was gonna be here for 30 minutes, but it seems like no. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook account. You even here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok under the very same name, Matshepe Zwivhuya. Even the profile. Oh no, the profile photo is not the same. I've been trying to change it. Let me go and change it.